turned these 2 limes into this. So we're gonna start by peeling limes. This one has like a little booty crack. Look at that, it's silly. You wanna wash your limes because sometimes they have wax on them. So we got our lime peels and we're gonna weigh them. So we got our trusty super juice calculator. We're just gonna put the weight of our lime peels and it'll tell us the amount of citric and malic to add. This is citric acid. We got 4.91 grams. Next we're measuring out the malic acid, which gives lime juice that drying effect. So we got our citric and malic acid weighed out. We're gonna add it to the peels. We're gonna cap it off, shake it up, and it should be ready in about an hour. So this has been sitting for 2 hours, and as you can see, the acid has pulled the oils out of the peels, and the peels are kind of brown, so you know it's done. We're gonna add the peels to the blender. This is our prescribed, in this case, 122 grams of water. And that goes in. Now we blend. This is a tea strainer with some cheesecloth. We're going to strain the pieces of peel. We're gonna take the limes that we peeled and we're gonna go ahead and juice them because why would we waste that? Oh.
Just under 90 mil.
Just juice from the limes was 90 mil and we got almost 200 mil total here, so I'd say we did pretty well. And that's how